what we have here, we've got the iPhone 13 Pro. I went for the Sierra Blue colour in 128GB, which should be plenty. I'll probably regret that later on, but let's take a look at the phone. I'm not going to mess about with the unboxing too much just because there's not much to talk about. So we've got the phone there, I'll put it to the side. We get a USB-C to lightning cable, some paperwork that we don't really need, SIM ejector tool, and one Apple sticker, which I know a lot of people love their Apple stickers, so you'll be happy to see that you've got one in the box. So let's put that to the side. Unboxing done, that's it, video over. Thanks for watching, guys. Just kidding. Let's take a look at the phone. Now, I don't believe I've actually ever owned an iPhone. I've just been a strict Android user. I only just recently, about a year or two ago, moved over from Windows to Mac when the M1 Max came out, and I've been loving that, so this will probably be an equally good experience. One thing I do like about the iPhone, what they did from the iPhone 12, is they brought back that flat profile on the sides and not the curved edge, which makes it a lot nicer to hold and it feels a bit more premium. And take that off. One thing we've noticed is the notch has been reduced a little bit, and the speakers at top. So the dummy phone that I did take a look at my last video, it was right. And then buttons, all the standard stuff, nothing more to go through. And I am interested to see how good these cameras are. I've been hearing good things with the whole cinematic mode, and photos just coming out super nice, which now I get to experience for myself. So currently I'm using a OnePlus 9 Pro. I'm going to be transferring my SIM into the iPhone 13 Pro and using it from now on, and I'll be documenting how I'm finding that and things I like, things I don't like. If you've got any tips for me for Apple phone stuff, leave it down in the comments box below. Be sure to check it out, and then there might be some cool stuff in there for me to learn as well. So I'm gonna boot this up, get my information in there, and get started. One thing I do like is, like I said, the edges are so nice and it feels so comfortable, but I am afraid that this will get scratched or scuffed if it does fall. And this colour is a lot nicer in person than it does look online. It's a bit lighter than it does look on the photos online. So speaking about protection, we've got a few words from today's video sponsor, so let's take a look at that and we'll be back with the video. Finding the right case for your phone has never been easier. Casetify has you covered, whether it be protection, style or customization. The cases are made from 65% recycled and plant-based materials. Not only that, but the boxes are also made from 100% recycled materials. When it comes to protection, the Casetify G-Tech 2.0 technology not only offers drop protection of up to 9.8 feet, they're also wireless charging, MagSafe and 5G compatible. Before you say that's not real, oh, it's real. I tested it myself. Now, protection for your device is one thing. However, there's another type of protection which is more important. Casetify cases feature Defensify, an antimicrobial coating killing 99% of bacteria, also prevents the growth of microbes and prevents bacteria from sticking onto the surface. You can also choose from hundreds of different curated designs or customize your own case with your favourite font and layout style for a truly custom feel. Follow the link below for 15% off your entire purchase. So I've been using it now for about a solid hour, and I can say that it's very impressive. I like the way it feels in the hand. You can tell that it's a quality product, just like the other stuff. I've used the iPad Pro. That's what I used first to edit my YouTube videos. Then I moved over to the MacBook. Now I've got this iPhone, which I'm probably going to use to record on the channel as well. At the moment I'm using a OnePlus 9 Pro. Picture quality is great. Very fluid on the overall, like, of the phone maneuverability and stuff, especially with the 120Hz display. It's something that I really enjoyed on the iPad Pro when I used it, and it's no different here. How will I get used to the phone? Will I get used to it? That's the question. I'll let you know. Be sure to check out on my Twitter handle is going to be somewhere on the screen, and comments box below. I'll keep you updated if I have any issues. Like I said, if you've got any little tips and tricks that you think might help me out with using this phone, leave them in the comments box below, and I'll see if there's any good ones there that I do tend to use on a day-to-day basis. But the iPhone's going to be my daily driver now, so there's going to be a plethora of new iPhone cases and accessory videos coming out on the channel, so be sure to watch that. And if you don't want to miss them videos, hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell to be notified of new content once it's released, and like the video because it does help me out and helps the video get pushed out to more people, which brings more people to the channel, and then we can all share the experience we're having together. So like I said, thanks for watching, hope you have a nice day, and catch you guys on the next one.